This is Grisha from AlphaCars in Ural of New England, showing you guys this 2016 Yamaha Kodiak 700 Ultramatic that we have here at our Boxborough location. Now, this is a very, very clean, roughly 35 original hour machine. One owner, garaged its whole life. Completely unmodified. It does have a set of aftermarket heated handlebar grips, a battery tender harness, and a hour meter that was installed recently. The machine is in great cosmetic and mechanical shape. It was never really used off-road, primarily just tooled around the yard. Never seen anything heavy on the racks. Nothing abrasive. All the surfaces still painted. Some minor surface scuffs on a, roughly 10-year-old machine, but the plastics are in fantastic shape otherwise. Some minor scuffs here on the edge. No cracks, though. Absolutely none. All original stickers are still on it. Seat cover's in good shape. Does have a little nick right here by the fuel filler. Brake pedal down there. Underbody is very clean. It has been treated with fluid film consistently throughout its lifetime, and hence the reason it is so clean, paired with the fact it was garaged its whole life. Hardware is in fantastic shape. Everything has been serviced very well. These are still the original Maxxis tires. They have good tread all around. We'll start this rig up. We gotta there we go. Motor runs very smooth, obviously fuel injected. Great in the cold weather, the warm weather, any altitude, any condition. This quad is a 4x4. It's engageable. It's currently in two-wheel drive. Pull this lever back, light illuminates, and that indicates that the quad is in four-wheel drive. All the lights work. Very nice, clean, well taken care of machine that is currently available here at our Boxborough location, as I mentioned previously. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video.